In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Spotify web player not working. So let's get started. The first fix is to check your browser compatibility. Now Spotify web player works best on Chrome, Edge, Firefox or Safari, and make sure that whatever browser you're using, it is up to date. The second fix is to clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old cache can cause issues. So to do this, go ahead and click on three dots, go to settings. From here, go to privacy and security, and here you'll see delete browsing data. Go ahead, click on that and click delete data, and that should fix it. If it doesn't fix, let's go over the next fix, that is to disable browser extensions. Now, some ad blockers or VPNs block Spotify, so try disabling these extensions. For example, in my case, if I go ahead and click this extension logo, I have this ad blocker installed, which is an extension. If I click on it, it is like you can see it's activated. I can just go ahead and click pause on the site, and it's gonna pause ads on the site. Similarly, if you have a VPN open, just go ahead and close it, okay? Then we have obviously check your internet connection. So try switching Wi-Fi or using mobile hotspot if it's still not working. Then we have to enable protected content because some browsers block media playback. So click the three dots once again, go to settings, go privacy and security, scroll down to site settings as you can see right there. From here, scroll down and click on additional content settings. Scroll down from here and you will see this option of protected content IDs. Just go and make sure it is that sites can play protected content, and this means that even if something is copyrighted, it can play it, it won't block it. Yeah, then also make sure that this option right there is also on, sites can play sound. Yeah, so as you can see, mine is perfect. Then we have logout everywhere, because Spotify may pause web playback if another device is controlling it. So suppose I have my account right here, yeah, and suppose my brother is also using the same account. Whenever he pauses, my Spotify right here will also pause, yeah. So you'll have to make sure that you're the only person using this account. So just go ahead and click on your profile picture, click on account. It'll take you here. From here, you'll have to scroll. Oh, it's in some other language. So let me just go ahead and click translate to English. Just scroll all the way down and you'll see this option, logout everywhere. Just go ahead and click that, and that should solve the problem. Then if it's still not fixed, then try another browser, because sometimes a specific browser profile has sometimes some issues. And you could also try opening Spotify in a private window or an incognito window. Okay, so just go ahead and do this and try opening Spotify here to see, hopefully it works. Yeah, and those are basically all the fixes you could try, and hopefully one of those works out for you. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.